What's happening, YouTube friends and family? I know I haven't been on this joint for a little few weeks or whatever. Um, but you know me, I'm always trying some stuff. And today,
Tell them what happened first.
huh?
Why you're doing what you're doing.
Okay, so a little bit of a backstory is, as you can see, this is our work phone right here that we use in the truck for our hours of service,
Yeah.
ELD, and this is the phone. We only use it for that.
It was provided by Panther.
Yeah, it was provided by Panther, but we pay for it. They take money out of our settlement every week for this, right? Then you see how this is off. The battery kind of blew up. It didn't blow up yet, but it's swollen. So the back cover. So we called Panther and we told them, and they said that they weren't providing no more phones, that you needed to put the app on your regular phone. Well, when we first started with Panther, we tried that and it really like took over the phone. So we didn't want to do that moving forward because we pay for this. So we asked Panther, since we pay for this phone, this is what we paying for. You want us to put the app on our phone. Is there going to be a price cut in what we pay for this phone every week? We still waiting for an answer. It's been months when we asked that. Yeah, that we asked that question. So you know what it is. So anyway, I decided to take matters into my own hand, and voila, I ordered a kit, and it comes with everything that I need to change this battery. I have many YouTube degrees. So this is another one that I will attempt. This is my test right here to see if I graduate from cell phone tech. And it comes, so I bought this. The battery was real cheap. I think I only paid like maybe $22 or $24 for the whole kit. And it comes with a tool. It comes with the two-phase tape so you can put the cover back on. It comes with this two-phase tape as well so you can stick the battery to the phone. It comes with alcohol pads so you can clean where the two-phase tape, old two-phase tape is at. It comes with suction. I think this is so that you can put on the battery and be able to take, see, to lift the battery up. So, yeah, I already did that. They come with these little guitar thingies. You know, all of this is to pry the battery off the two-phase tape, which I don't need. As you can see, it came up that fast. And then this is the new battery in here. So, nice and flat. Boom. I just went off the model number from the old battery and did a little bit of research, and I found the right one. And then I think this is like some type of protective cover or something like that that you put on here so it won't get hot. That's what I think that is. So I will be using that as well. So let's get to it. So let me put this to the side. We have to take off, I think, a number like 12 screws. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yep. So we got to take off 12 screws. So let's get to it. Don't lose your screws. Put them somewhere where you know you won't lose them. And this little tool that they give you is magnetized. So see, you got that, babe? Check.
I'm watching.
So I don't normally do this type of stuff, but I'll try anything once. You know, we pay money for stuff, and then when somebody messes it up, then we get upset. But if I do it myself, I ain't gonna get mad at myself. So I'd rather try it first before I give it to the professionals. What I'm talking about? I'm a professional. I'm a certified. I graduated from YouTube University, and I graduated in the top of my class from YouTube University. So yeah, this is like
got them all off?
I got all the screws off. We have this plastic prop all came with it too, because I think we got to lift this up. See? So we still got them 3 screws in there, so try, because those didn't come up with the magnet, so I'm going to just leave those in there. Okay, pull this back. Yeah, I don't know what that is. I might have to get another one of those. I don't know that came off of here. I don't know what that is. All right, so take this tape because you're going to need it. Take it back. And then all right, this is the plug. So all you do is just pry up on it. And that's it. That's some type of tape. I don't know if I have to reuse that tape. We shall see, because this is a piece of tape right here. And you see the connection plug right here? Okay, check. All right, so let's put that to the side. Let's get the new battery. Okay, so we're going to take this old two-face tape off. Let's see if we can take it off. Yeah. So we're going to peel this off. Because it ain't really sticking. And we're going to add something new.
You need the scissors?
Yeah. Oh yeah, because it's one in the middle too.
You got it off?
I think so. It's kind of like everywhere you're going to put two-face tape on, just wipe it off. So just clean it up a little bit. Okay. Oh.
You can't take them off one at a time?
You see this paper?
Mm-hmm.
No, it's not letting me. Oh man, I think I messed it up.
Sheesh.
It don't work.
Maybe two.
No. So,
Can you like put it on there and then take it off? Like put one. So it's not sticky? Is it sticky on the one side?
yeah.
Yeah, like that. That's weird.
Yeah, that is weird.
It's not like regular toothpaste tape.
Oh, that came out better.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
You gotta.
It don't got to be perfect.
You gotta cut that like it's like wrapping.
No, I don't think so. Let's move it over. That's fine. I don't think that's going to hurt. It's none. And then this comes off. Yep. It has a little sleeve on there.
So you need a piece of tape, a little piece of tape to hold it in place.
I think this snaps in some kind of way. Even though it's supposed to be a piece of tape there. It snaps in, yeah. I just felt it. But anyway, we're gonna, yeah, we're gonna put this little piece of tape over it. Put it back. right. And put this back like that. Then repeat the process. All right. Okay, and then this piece of tape right here. Bang.
So I would turn it on before you put the other toothpaste tape
Around the edges, right?
The edges,
yeah.
just to see if it
turns on. What did I do with that? Oh, it's right here. All right, let's see. It's the moment of truth. It might not be charged up. Yeah, it's a possibility. Let's see if it's going to charge.
It's charging.
It's just probably completely dead.
Let's try to charge it up before we put the back toothpaste tape on, and then power it on and see that everything. Oh, it's powering on, huh?
No, that's just the 1%.
Oh.
I don't think we could turn it on at 1.
And then we'll come back to show them that it actually works after we have it powered all the way up. Unless you want to show the toothpaste tape right now.
Should rapid charge.
All right, we'll come right back after.
Yeah. All right, guys, we just turned the phone on before we, put the toothpaste tape around the back for the cover and stuff like that. We wanted to make sure that the battery was charging and that the phone would turn on. And as you can see, it's at 7% and it says charging rapidly. Yeah, it's saying charging rapidly, so it is charging. So I'm gonna unhook it and turn it back off so that I can put the toothpaste tape around the edges for the back cover. These little strips. I gotta figure out how that works. Okay. I'll take the tape off the top once I'm ready. Should go around the edges. I'm gonna stay here like my younger days. Let's see. I'll put it on here on top. piece for the top. Alright, I guess that's good. That's probably good enough. I don't think we need any up there.
No, I don't think so.
We got one on the top, one on the bottom. And we just got to peel that paper back. Yeah, go figure. Just peel the paper back.
You shouldn't touch it.
You're right. All right.
So what do we find out about that broken piece?
So this piece right here, I guess this cover, as you know, the battery was swollen, so this cover was off, and it was just kind of like swinging in, freely, and it kind of bent this wire, and we found out that it was fingerprint, and we don't use that. We only use it for our ELD, so it stays in a cradle. So we're gonna leave that. If it interferes with the phone any, we don't know. I'll just order it and replace it.
I don't think it'll interfere because we don't even use fingerprint.
Yeah. We don't use this phone for nothing.
Or any kind of password.
Yeah. So there we go. That's a nice fit. And there you have it, guys.
We will do a follow-up if it doesn't work.
Yeah, if it doesn't work.
For some reason, but I think it'll be fine.
Yeah, we're going to list the, if you're trying to change a battery that looks like this, that any type of battery for, a phone that comes off, the cover comes off and stuff like that. We're just going to put the kit in our, link it up in the description, and you can just go from there with the make and stuff for the battery. But it's not that hard. It's not rocket science, and I believe anybody can do it.
It's not hard at all.
Nah, not hard at all. It's a little bit tedious with the little screws and stuff like that, but it worked out. Okay, guys. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for taking the time out to look at my video. We will come with some other videos. I bought a new accessory for the truck, so stay tuned for a video for that. Until next time, everybody, keep rolling. Peace.